In this video, we will show you how to insert a table in Canva. To insert a table in Canva, it's very easy. You can using presentation first, or you can create another designs. And we will try to insert the tables. Okay, to insert the tables, you need to click the elements. Okay, you can see there is element that you can type table here. After you click a table, you can see there is many table format that you can use, or you can click see all tables available here. For example, we can select this. Okay. We can adjust the table, and you can see we can easy to make the table content like this. Okay. And after that, we can change the table border. For example, to select the all lines, you can just click this. Okay, then you can click the border, and you can choose border style. And to resize your border style, you can using this, or using this to change the border style of your table. Okay, after that, you can also change the font. For example, you can block this, and you can also block this and block this. And that's how you can insert a table in Canva. It's very easy. You can choose available options, okay, using this or this table. You can also change the color of the table by clicking this. Okay, you can see here. And that's all how you can insert a table in Canva. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.